If you're choosing between Sony Vegas, Premiere Pro, and Davinci Resolve, this isn't just video editor versus video editor. It's speed and simplicity versus industry workflow versus all-in-one production. So which one actually wins? Let's break it down. Vegas Pro focuses on fast editing and an easy timeline workflow. Many creators like it because it feels straightforward and lets you start editing quickly. But here's the catch. Compared to larger ecosystems, its advanced tools and integrations are more limited. Adobe Premiere Pro takes a broader approach. It integrates deeply with Adobe apps, making it popular for creators using Photoshop, After Effects, and larger production workflows. It remains one of the most widely used editing tools in professional environments. The downside is subscription cost and performance complaints from some users. Davinci Resolve focuses on delivering editing, color grading, effects, and audio tools in one platform. Many professionals and creators use it because it can replace several separate applications. The downside is that beginners can find it more intimidating and demanding on hardware. So which one wins? Choose Vegas Pro if you want fast editing and an easier workflow. Choose Adobe Premiere Pro if you want tight Adobe integration and professional workflows. Choose Davinci Resolve if you want editing, color grading, effects, and audio in one application. Bottom line, for most people today, Davinci Resolve wins because it offers professional tools, a powerful free version, and incredible long-term value. Premiere Pro remains a strong choice for teams already inside Adobe's ecosystem. Vegas Pro is still great for speed, but it's no longer the default winner it once was. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.